Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I'm feeling a little bit naked right now because I do not have my lash extensions anymore. I will be doing like an update life chit chat video probably later on this week, and I will let you guys know why. But anyways, today we are going to be doing a Mail Haul Monday where I'll be opening up PR packages. Super excited. We have a lot of things to go through. So really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And yeah, I'm excited about these packages, so let's go ahead and dive in. I also just got this really cute popover from Lily Pulitzer, and I was really excited about wearing it in this video, but whew, I've been running around the house trying to get everything ready for this, and I'm a little bit sweaty. Okay, the first 2 things, I want to show you guys really quick. It's actually not makeup. These are 2 things I actually ordered off of Amazon, and I'll try to link them below. But we are actually going on another trip. I'm so excited, and I'll be talking about it more probably in the life update video. Why do I always get my hair in my lip gloss? But I've heard so many great things about these packing cube things. Here's what they look like. And so I got these online. I think it came with like 6 total. And they have all these awesome different sizes in here for you to pack up your suitcase. I always get things so mixed up because I like throw them everywhere. And so I think like for me, like this would be really great for like shorts, pants, leggings, whatever. We could do this with like socks and underwear. I just think it would be really neat to have these. So I ordered them online. I think it was like $23 for all these. And again, you get 6 different sizes, so you have 3 more in here, and I'm excited to use them. I will update you guys and let you know how everything goes with packing with these. And I literally just went on the biggest shopping spree this weekend for winter clothes. If you want to see a video on that, let me know down below. I've been super into like fashion-y things lately, so just let me know if you want to see a haul. The next thing I bought is this Ultimate Quality Wash Bag Set. Looks like this. And this basically has 5 different mesh laundry bags. You know, the thing about it is I really could use these in my suitcase too if I wanted. But the reason that I actually bought them, I had like a bathing suit or 2 this year that actually, I think it was just 1, had mesh on it. And so I was too scared to put it in the laundry with other things because I didn't want it to get like tied up and tear, because then like the whole thing's ruined. So I'll let you guys know how these are. But yeah, I definitely could put these in my suitcase too, even like for dirty laundry or something. So I'm excited. And I think these were like $6 or $7, and you get a ton of different options. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys those, but let's go ahead and dive into some more makeup stuff. All right, so first package we have came from It Cosmetics. Oh, I hope this is the brush that I've been seeing going around. You guys, It Cosmetics foundation brushes are like my ultimate favorite foundation brush of life. Oh yes, so they sent this beautiful bag that has it all over it and little like kissy lips. Oh, this is so cute. And oh, it is the brush. Okay, so I love my heart brush. I have that one, and then I also have another one that's like a star shape. And they are by far my 2 favorite foundation brushes out of any foundation brush that I've ever tried in my entire life. That says a lot. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. Okay, so first off, it's shaped like a heart. I don't know what it is that I love so much about these brushes. They're just so easy to blend and buff your foundation. I used the star one today, and I just feel like they apply foundation better than any brush that I have. So, okay, so here's what the brush looks like. So basically, it has like hearts cut out, and they're like see-through, so you can see through the brush with the hearts. But a very, very nice brush. So it also says for every single brush purchase, It Cosmetics will donate 1 brush to the Look Good, Feel Better program to help women face the appearance-related side effects of cancer with confidence. Together, we are making the world more beautiful, 1 brush at a time. So I think that's really awesome, especially like what is behind this brush, but then also it's an amazing brush anyway. So I would definitely recommend trying it out. Thank you so much, It Cosmetics, for that package. I cannot wait. And here's a little picture also of this awesome brush. All right, next package came from Oxley. And this is actually from Oxley and Dr. Brandt. This is their 2% Retinol Complex Serum. This is a nighttime skin renewal serum, and I cannot wait to try this out. So, it says, feel the power of retinol with 2% Retinol Complex Serum, a time-release formulation that allows the retinol to deliver immediate and long-term effects with no downtime, visibly improving the look of lines, firmness, dullness, texture, and tone. I need all of that right now. It says blemishes, and it also helps with enlarged pores. Give your skin a new life every night. Really pretty packaging too. So the top you have like a rose gold cap. And again, it is a 2% retinol complex serum. I'm going to be trying this out and updating you guys. But it says it's also supposed to help the look of fine lines, improve skin texture and tone. And then as far as the application, it says apply at nighttime on cleansed skin, avoid eye contact, limit the usage to 3 times per week until skin adapts. So, I'm excited. My skin is just not in a good place right now, and I always talk about how I've loved Dr. Brandt products in the past, so I'm very excited that Oxley and Dr. Brandt sent this over. Thank you so much for this package, and I will keep you guys updated. Just stay tuned in the future. There'll definitely be like a review on my thoughts. I also have some of my subscription boxes because they came when I was out of town. Haven't got a chance to unbox them. And for some reason, Boxycharm actually sent me 2 boxes. So I'm going to open them up and we'll see if they're the same. So let's see here. First box, we have the Violet Voss Essentials. And this is a Pro Series, eyeshadow palette. So here are those right there. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Ooh la la. We have a Tarte product from Boxycharm. And this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Clay Play. So I believe this is like a eye contouring and face contouring palette from what I remember. Oh yes, very nice. Here's what it looks like right here. And I'm excited to try this out. The colors look really nice, and I like how there's like a light, medium, and deep tones. Then we have the Dr. Brandt, speaking of Dr. Brandt, Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And then we have this, what in the world is this? Good Vibes Mascara. And it has like a curler on the end and then some Moda Pro brushes. So thank you so much to Boxycharm, and let's see if the other box has the same stuff in it. Okay, so here is this box. And oh yeah, I think it is going to have all the same stuff in it. That's so funny. Well, I'll definitely be saving this for you guys. Oh no, so I got that. I got the Dr. Brandt. And then there's 2 different things. It looks like a Hank and Henry liquid eyeliner, and also a $1 Billion brow pencil, and then the Moda brushes. So thank you so much again to Boxycharm, and you guys, I'll be saving this stuff for you as well. Next package we have is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So again, we'll just go ahead and open all of the unboxing monthly subscriptions at the front of the video. Okay, so ooh, here's what the box looks like. The first thing we have is the Madison Miller Midi palette. I actually showed this recently on a video. It's the collaboration she did with Ofra Cosmetics. Then we have, I'm really excited about this. This is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I don't think I've really tried that much from Ciate. I mean, it looks, you know, it looks very translucent, or like a white powder. So we will see how that works out, but I'm excited to test it. Then we have a Ilamesca lipstick, a pomegranate mask, and this Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I definitely have to say I think that Boxycharm won this month. I'm excited about the Ciate thing, but some of these products I'm not like over the moon excited about. So here is the eyeshadow palette. But the good thing with me buying, like, you know, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, again, if there's not something that I am like, oh my gosh, I have to test this out, I'm sure one of you guys may like it in a giveaway, so I always try to save that stuff for you. And I have some really good giveaways coming very soon. Just want to throw that out there. Okay, next thing we have is from Loreal. Okay, and this is actually some hair care, not hair care, but hair dye products. And then they also sent over one of their mascaras, which It's definitely needed now that I don't have lash extensions. It feels so weird, you guys, but you know, I feel like with the lash extensions too, I wasn't wearing as much eyeshadow, which, you know, it's good that I was putting eyeshadow on this morning, obviously, because, I mean, I do YouTube, so I need to be reviewing stuff. And then they also sent over these little, like, patches and things, which is super cute. So, thank you so much, L'Oreal, for that package. Next up, we have a package from Urban Decay. Yay! So, this is the Urban Decay Naked Honey. I am so excited about this palette because to me it definitely looks like a, I don't know, like good transition into fall palette, and I definitely think some of the tones look different than any like Naked that we've seen before. Okay, so here is what it looks like, the box. Okay, oh my gosh, so freaking cute. So it came with an eyeshadow priming potion in here as well as the palette. And if you guys want to see a review on this, definitely let me know. I plan on doing like a products testing video probably this week. But yeah, I'm really excited about some of these like green tones too. I think they're gonna be so pretty. So the packaging is like really nice and sturdy too. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Again, I think this is the perfect transition into fall palette. This will definitely get played with this week, and I will try to have a video for you guys either this week or next. But I'm very excited about it. So thank you so much to Urban Decay for that package. Next package came from Summer Fridays, and I feel like I remember seeing some type of new product that they just recently released, and I cannot think about what it is. But the thing that I love the most from them is their jet lag mask, I think is what it's called. I used that so much in Hawaii because my skin was so friggin' burnt and dry. It says, add me to your morning skincare routine. Ooh, I'm excited. What is this? Ooh, it is a double dose of vitamin C. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Such a cute little package too. So it says Summer Friday CC Me Serum. And it says, this all-in-one brightening serum says, CC this all-in-one brightening serum to your morning skincare routine for a glowy, even, copy-me complexion without a moment wasted. It has squalene, collagen, botanical cocktail, and it has vitamin C1 and 2. So it targets dark spots, protects against pollution and dehydration. I am excited about this. I really have enjoyed all the Summer Friday products I've tried, and I'm so excited to try this out. So thank you so much, Summer Fridays, for that package. Next package, and probably the last for today. I know we've had so much skincare today, so not as much to swatch, but this is the new Drunk Elephant Shelf Respect. This is their new holiday kit, or one of them. I'm sure they'll be releasing some more because they always have really good holiday kits. My favorite was the one, I think it was maybe last year or the year before. I keep yawning because it's early morning, but my favorite is the one from like last year or the year before, and it literally like had all the drunk elephants. So I'm not going to take this off, but this is basically a mirror on the front, and then you have like a little handle to open it up, and it's literally like a shelf like in your bathroom. So you have the C-Firma Day Serum, you have a sunscreen, the polypeptide, the B-Hydra, and the D-Bronzy. So a bunch of really awesome products for you to try out. Thank you so much to Drunk Elephant for that package. And then one more that I'll actually show you guys from my P.O. box actually came from Derma E. Derma E, my very favorite product from them is their Scar Gel. And as y'all know, I got really burnt in Mexico this year, and I used the Scar Gel on my back, and it worked wonders. And yes, I did apply sunscreen like every hour to 2 hours, and I still got burnt. It was just, I was miserable, honestly, but that Scar Gel definitely helped. So let's see what is in here. Ooh, okay. So this is all like clearing treatment stuff. So the first thing is the Derma E Acne Rebalancing Cream, which I'm excited about. I've been having a few breakouts recently. This is the Acne Blemish Control Treatment Serum, and then we have the Acne Deep Pore Cleansing Wash. So thank you so much to Derma E for that package. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.